Morning guys, haven't got anything new to show you this week, but we thought we might show you some of the things that some of us have finished and working on and things like that. So, first one up, we gave you a hint the other day that it was coming. This is the Hong Kong Models Lancaster 48 scale. Just finished by one of our customers, or one of the people who work with us. This is the new 48 scale one, as I said. This has got all the new details. This has been, the gentleman that built it was very, very happy with it, the way it went together. At the moment, the wings aren't glued on. He's used the slots and the fit is just superb. All the detail around the back here, I don't think the fins are even attached properly either because they fit so well. They've done a lot of the corrections out of the 32nd scale one, so the lights are now corrected. They've fixed up the panel that there was dual panels on either side. They've fixed that up. Canopy's been sorted out. They've done the canopy differently than what they did in the 32nd scale one, so you can have different doors or windows. A couple of issues he came up with. One was the rear turret. Because they've simplified it a lot, they've made it, it's a little bit more fiddly to fit the guns and everything else to it. So, as I said, the rear turret, a little bit fiddly to put in. The other major thing that he had issues with was the fact of the undercarriage. The undercarriage is quite complex and there's 6 points that it's got to fit into it. If he said that if he's going to do it again, and he's going to write up a bit of a review for us anyways, but just give you a little couple of hints. What he said was fitting this from this side is a little bit fiddly and a little bit, you know, you got to sort of squeeze it in to get around to different things and all the rest of it. His suggestion is that next time he will build the engine parts and then put the undercarriage in through the top. So that will help it support it, make it easier to fit and everything else. But that's the underneath, full load of bombs. He's done the cookie and the bomb racks and everything else, so that's quite nice, all the detail there. So it's really, really something to see. As I said, Hong Kong Models have sat down and said, okay, what was wrong with the 32nd scale one? And they've corrected a lot of the issues. This is more a wartime one now than the 32nd scale one, which has got a lot of things that are related to the Battle of Britain Memorial Flight Lancaster, which is a post-war Lancaster that they've done various things to. So look, it's just lovely. There's lots and lots in it there. The detail in the cockpit is very good. Again, simplified because it's in 48 scale, but there's enough in there that you can sort of get a good view of everything else, guns and all the rest of it. The glass there. Basically all straightforward. This is a Mk1, so you have the pointed blades. But other than that, yeah, it's really, really something to see. So if you really, if you've got one and you want to get onto it, get onto it. If you haven't got one yet, chase one up and get yourself one. As he said, the comparison between this and the Tamir kit is quite significant, simply just by fit and stuff like that. So the markings are will be from the kit. So if you look at that, that's prune, and there's also S for sugar is the other scheme in the earlier scheme that came in before they painted the yellow around the codes and things like that. Other than that, look, just nicely done, nicely weathered, great looking kit. Should be good. Have fun with it. See you then.